Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use auto reframe in CapCut PC. So all you have to do is open your projects on CapCut. This is for example. It's very easy to do, and then after you drag your video or your projects, you can see this is the video section. This is the basic. You can scroll down and search the auto reframe. This is pro version, so please join pro to use this auto reframe. So you can adjust the aspect ratio here for wide a screen. Also this is for the A4:3. Here you can use this aspect ratio. And then image stabilization, you can stable it or by default or flexible if you want to make a progress video. And camera moving speed, you can use it fast or default or the slow one. So the auto reframe is a feature that uses AI to automatically adjust the framing of video to fit a different aspect ratio. It means you know, this is like a shortcut, a shorter time editing your video, and also it identifies the key elements or subjects in each frame and ensures they remain centered and focused as the video is resized. So this, if you use this auto reframing, this is very useful for adapting content to various social media format without losing important visual information. So you can feel free to use this auto reframe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.